Today we are fossicking in 4 interesting locations, recapped here. Hey, I think I found a good one. We got it. Oh, whoa!
Is that body there?
This is our first location, and Amber found these coordinates online. Not a location, straight up coordinates, and it was where we found our biggest piece for the whole trip.
Yes, and the girls have lost managed today.
Oh, I've seen stuff like that. Do we want that?
What?
Or like the sparkly one you just found. Maybe if it's a bit bigger.
If it's bigger and beautiful.
Yeah.
This one?
No, it's not.
It's sparkly.
Is it?
Yeah, she said she had her legs first.
Skin.
Hey.
Really? Yeah, look, just here. Oh, actually, I think it might just be a dead snake. It feels a bit solid. We saw so many animals on this trip, and it's easy to see why. The Australian country is beautiful.
The metal detector at work. What is it? Oh, that's an old one, right? That looks very old. Schweppes Cola.
Wow. Hey, I think I found a good one.
Oh, stop it. Really? Amber.
Holy
Amber. Jesus Christ.
It was just on the top.
Oh, it's shardy.
It's a huge
It is a beautiful.
Look.
Oh my god. Where'd you find it?
Just there.
It was just sitting on top. I can't believe you just found that. Ashley, that's... What the fuck? That's a fucking peacock. What the fuck? I've never... What the fuck? What is that doing there?
And this is our second location, a place called Bocho Park. They had this beautiful river and a bunch of cows, believe it or not. This place was stunning. Honestly. Hey, you really got to make sure you take like one step at a time, hey? Hey, Amber, what's that? A path directly to this spot.
Yeah.
I lifted up a few rocks and I had a look at kind of like the material that was just under the rocks. It doesn't look exactly the same as the prospecting videos that I've seen. However, it looks close. It looks close. So I'm gonna go back to the car, get the pan, get the shovel, and let's see what we can dig up. We got it. Let's see what we can pan. Ha ha ha. Now, I'm just going to remove some of these larger rocks. This is going to give me somewhere to start. Alright, we might as well look for some crystals while we're here. So I just found all of these out of my pan.
Oh, seriously? Oh my gosh, shardy. Jasper?
Yeah, I thought that was Jasper.
Oh my god, I love it.
And this one?
I love it.
It's like a white one.
I can't believe that. That's beautiful. That's really, really cool.
It's a bit hard to see with the GoPro, but everything's like layered in this like grime. You found anything of this?
I found this piece of quartz that looks like a nose.
Hey, I found a relic, a fossil. A payphone. This one here, I know that they look for a lot of the little dimples. Oh. Oh, hello. Look at the colours in that. That might be something. But if I show them, they might make me crack it. Let's go show them. Hey, I maybe found something. It has lots of dimples.
Do you reckon there's anything we can use to start here?
That's cool. That's huge.
Isn't that beautiful?
I can't believe you found that.
Literally. Like something on the was on the road or like a path.
It's weird. It's like a lamington.
It's like a fish.
I'm getting hungry.
There's a little bit of petrified wood in the pool.
Oh, damn.
Right? How cool is that?
That's really cool.
It's like a little mountain or like a little lip. Give it a little. Pretty. Right? And
Yeah.
then my favourite bit. So I said to Anna, she's very excited about it and she wants to be excited. Is this petrified wood that has crystal all through it?
Wow.
Can you see it in the cat? Like up here,
Yeah,
all
that's
through here.
That's cool. And yours? Oh, damn. It kind of looks like a weird face. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
It's messed up. Don't know if I like that. Oh. You got something?
What is it?
It's a little shardy. Hey!
Hold it up in the light. Can you see through?
Yeah.
Pretty.
Whoa.
Do you want me to like, you do that and then I'll do this for you. Can you see it enough or do we need to go up?
No, you're...
Is that good?
And our last location of the trip was a place where you can see a lot of platypuses apparently. We didn't end up seeing any, but this was by far the most beautifulest riverbed that we came across. Enjoy. Now, throughout most of this adventure, Ronan, the person you see on the frame here, was trying his magnet fishing, and most of the time he got it stuck. As you can see here, he spends an absolute age trying to untangle the rope that he threw out and gets his magnet stuck again. I'm piloting the drone behind, and as you can see, I tend to have a bit of fun with the drone because what are brothers for if not to annoy? He ends up having to wade around this big hole in the water and he walks all the way to the other side, gets wet, still is stuck. So I do this really high shot and then you can just see the trouble he's in. You can see the water gradient just go down. He's stuck on probably some big tree and here he starts to get annoyed at me for not helping. So I end up cutting here and helping him out. I actually walk across the little channel and get pretty satched, pretty water-filled pants and the such, and he gets it free pretty much as soon as I get there. So it serves me right for not continuing to be the annoying older sister. As we kind of wrap up this video, you can see how beautiful the southeast coast of Australia looks like. This is all filmed in Queensland, Australia, and it's not all desert, as you can see. The east coast of Australia is the most populated by far, and you can see why. It's absolutely beautiful.
I'm trying to drive.
I'm just getting some good footage for you,
Isn't going to help me in an emergency situation.
as my brother plays with the camera here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos and you want to see more of them, please consider subscribing. Have a heckin' good time. Bye.